Candidates who were supposed to take part in the recruitment exam for post of Assistant Registrar of Central Agricultural University, CAU, scheduled for tomorrow at Guwahati, were left fuming after the flight to Guwahati got cancelled without any prior notice. The Imphal-Guwahati flight that was scheduled for 7 a.m. today got cancelled without any prior notice, leaving the candidates from Manipur helpless. Despite several requests, the Alliance Air officials refused to allocate a different flight, instead urged them to travel to Aizawl. Candidates who were seemingly angry as they face uncertainty about attending the recruitment exam, which is scheduled for 9 a.m. tomorrow. Addressing the issue, a candidate named Ronald highlighted that the candidates were supposed to reach Guwahati by today to prepare for the exam, which was scheduled for 9 a.m. tomorrow. However, the authority announced that the Imphal to Guwahati flight was cancelled without giving any prior notice. He added that the candidates urged the authority to arrange for a flight. However, the authority told them to travel to Aizawl instead. He further appealed to relevant authority to allocate a flight for them. It may be mentioned that Alliance Air flight service was resumed at Imphal International Airport from January 15, with the aim to promote regional connectivity at affordable airfare.
We see a solution PBU, Maramdi, Akoyana careers, important oil, Aduga skip to the labor, will be starting in a pretty responsible. Oi, they have a say. Mayam not can do, Maramdi money is up with the Jews or in the solution, the few are there, 5 can do a day. Akoy the labor fair. Saying the system, the banana curry line, Antina chaos oil. Akoy Satasing is the color of the Makana Kukanava, or any third person number. Makata Kukanava, solution farming Makata Kukanava, authorities in the main view. In Pumapan exams in Naba, Maidenabo, authority Manipuri Sarkar, any authority Amana, Akogi Sigi solutions, hang Prakazan and Naba solution. Pigadam have a Akogi from the Gi, Akoi Katna, strong appeal dosary.